Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Raincoat AI filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you can do, just go to effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for Raincoat. Okay, right. Okay, the first one with 1.1 million videos, tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the trending, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for Raincoat effect trend. Okay, here you will see many videos with this effect. You can tap on any of this video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name, it's in yellow. You can tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Okay, from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, what you can do, just visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon, just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, you got the filter. Now what you have to do, just browse a picture from your camera roll. Let me go with this one. Okay, it will take some time to generate. You can tap on continue generating in draft. So that's it guys. Likewise you can use this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.